So I've used Quizlet before a little bit, but I've never created one, and I didn't realize how many cool things there are in this. So I just made a small little quick 5 question thing, which has just about a goalkeeper, forwards, midfielder, formation, and then defenders. But I love that you can do like a test or like have the ability to do matching and stuff, and I think this is a really great tool which can allow students to practice and really get to learn a specific topic. Now mine only has 5 questions, but if they were doing something more specific, then I'm sure you could easily find more information on a specific topic.